Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for being here today. Let's begin our presentation, which is focused on a vital part of elevator installation, testing, and commissioning. This process is key to ensuring that elevators are safe, efficient, and ready for use. Today, we'll go step by step through the significance of this process, various procedures involved, and why it's essential in both safety and compliance. Importance of testing and commissioning. First, let's talk about why testing and commissioning are so crucial. As you may know, testing and commissioning are critical steps that ensure an elevator operates safely and efficiently. Essentially, this phase involves thorough tests and inspections to verify that the elevator meets all the required safety and performance standards. Without these steps, we could face major safety risks. Proper testing not only prevents accidents but also minimizes downtime, ensuring that the elevator operates smoothly from the start. At the end of the day, it's all about keeping passengers safe and ensuring they have a reliable, secure experience. Testing procedures. Now, moving on to the procedures involved in testing elevators, it's more complex than just pressing buttons. We start with functionality checks, which include verifying that all control systems, emergency stop buttons, and safety devices are working as expected. If any of these systems fail, they could jeopardize the entire operation. Then we perform load testing, where we assess whether the elevator can handle its designated weight limit. Imagine an elevator in a crowded building. This test ensures it can safely support that kind of load. Lastly, we carry out performance tests. This evaluates things like the elevator's speed, acceleration, and deceleration. These tests ensure that the elevator offers a smooth ride for users without any jerky or sudden movements. Safety inspection. Next, let's discuss safety inspections. These inspections are an integral part of the testing and commissioning process. Inspectors make sure that the elevator complies with safety codes, including ensuring the proper installation of safety features like door sensors, interlocks, and emergency communication systems. Moreover, the inspection covers structural aspects, including a thorough review of the elevator shaft, cables, and all mechanical components to ensure that there are no potential hazards. Safety is paramount in every aspect of this process. Safety inspection. Next, let's discuss safety inspections. These inspections are an integral part of the testing and commissioning process. Inspectors make sure that the elevator complies with safety codes, including ensuring the proper installation of safety features like door sensors, interlocks, and emergency communication systems. Moreover, the inspection covers structural aspects, including a thorough review of the elevator shaft, cables, and all mechanical components to ensure that there are no potential hazards. Safety is paramount in every aspect of this process. Compliance with regulations. As with any major system, elevators need to comply with a range of local and national regulations. These regulations are defined by elevator safety authorities and lay out the specific requirements for everything from design to installation and maintenance. Compliance not only ensures that elevators meet safety standards, but it also provides peace of mind for users, knowing that the elevators they rely on are operating safely and reliably. Documentation and certification. After all these rigorous checks, the next step is documentation and certification. Once an elevator passes all tests and inspections, documentation is created to officially certify that the elevator meets all required safety regulations. This documentation includes test reports, inspection records, and most importantly, certificates of compliance. For building owners and managers, this certification is not only a legal requirement, but it also serves as proof that the elevator is safe to use. Maintenance and periodic testing. Even after successful testing and commissioning, the work doesn't stop. Ongoing maintenance and periodic testing are essential to ensure long-term safety and performance. Regular tasks include things like lubricating the components, inspecting for wear and tear, and retesting all safety features. We also conduct periodic load tests and performance evaluations to ensure everything is still in top shape. Staying proactive with maintenance can significantly reduce the risk of issues down the line. Training and education. Another crucial aspect is the need for trained professionals to handle elevator testing and commissioning. Technicians in this field undergo specialized training that enables them to understand the complexities of elevator systems, from the machinery to the software that controls it. Ongoing education is also key, especially as elevator technology continues to evolve. Staying updated on the latest advancements ensures that technicians can continue to perform their roles effectively and keep elevators running safely. Benefits of proper testing and commissioning. Lastly, let's talk about the overall benefits of proper testing and commissioning. The most obvious benefit is safety. Thorough testing and commissioning greatly reduce the chances of accidents, giving everyone, building owners, occupants, and maintenance staff, peace of mind. Additionally, it helps identify potential issues before the elevator is put into service, which helps minimize future downtime and inconvenience. By getting everything right the first time, you save both time and resources in the long run. In conclusion, elevator testing and commissioning is a vital process that not only ensures the immediate safety of passengers but also contributes to the long-term reliability of the system. Proper testing procedures, safety inspections, adherence to regulations, and ongoing maintenance are all key factors that keep elevators operating smoothly and safely.